Your fly is open. Now let's see if that door is sticking here. Nope. Good. I didn't think it probably would, but I can feel a couple of little places here where the glue did. Contact cement is very, very messy. Very, very messy to work with. Always was. Now, this needs some work too. Not as bad. This needs to be glued in. You see, I must have put that in years ago with that piece of tape. But I can clean that up. Clean that up. There's a drain hole here, the drain hole here, and there's none in the middle. All right. But that's not a problem here. It's not too bad. Just a little sanding here on the edge. We'll do that off camera. Now, if you remember the bodywork series when I did it, all the sheet metal, nice and solid that is. Galvanized sheet metal is the best thing they use in bodywork. The best thing you use. That's just as solid as the day I put it in. So you remember this area I worked on and I primed underneath this and everything? Well, the only bad area right here, I'm going to take a wire brush, I'll do that off camera, and run it on the drill and clean that up. Put some self-etching primer in that area, like I got out here, and just hit that a little bit. And this door here needs quite a bit of work. Here, and down here it's pretty bad. That just put aluminum paint on it. This door is in pretty darn good shape, except for a little rust on the bottom down here, where I got to take this rubber off and re-glue it anyway. So I got some rust in here that I'm going to work on. I might get that done today. And then what I'll do is I'll paint this, the gray, all the way through, up to here. Because this part of the door, like the driver's side, needs work in here. But that probably won't get done today. But the bottom I want to be able to do. And then I can paint that whole area gray with the paint. I'll probably, well, that's a primer and paint combination, so I can probably just put that on there instead of the self-etching primer, which I'm getting very low on right now. So that's what I'm going to do. Now we only have the one loose side here. So we're going to just hold that out of the way, and we're going to mask all the rubber so that I can spray the self-etching primer on the metal underneath here. Let's just keep the paint off the rubber. That's all. I've got a little bit left, but I only need to do this small area under here. So I don't spray in my face here. Self-etching primer dries pretty quick. And once that primer dries, then I can put the contact cement on this and put this on. And then that'll take care of this door as far as the lower part is concerned. All I got to do is worry about this one spot that I showed you before on the white. And then the left door over here will have to get done at another day and another project. So with that done, we can do everything from the chrome down, and then this will be another project for another day. I kind of get burned out. I've worked too long here. I started in the morning this time, and the sun was on me, and it wasn't too pleasant working, but I managed to accomplish quite a bit, and that's the important thing. So when I get all this done, then of course I got to start this. That's going to be a whole project. I got to take the wheel off and everything else so I can get up in there with some galvanized sheet metal if necessary. Alright, I put the contact cement on there. It'll wait about 15-20 minutes, and we'll push it up in there. I don't need to videotape that part again. After that, I think we're ready for the gray paint after we do a light sanding. Okay, we're going to do the gray now. First I got some number 240 sandpaper here, and we're gonna sand it first lightly, and then I'll get some paint thinner and wipe it down and then paint it. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to take in some paint thinner. We're going to wipe that whole area down and then mask it all off, put newspaper up there and spray it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take a clean white cloth and I'm going to wipe everything down. Now I'm going to just prime over that, paint over that area right here, because I'm not going to Bondo that. That was done 2011. I will get to it eventually, but right now I want to just get this whole thing painted gray here, and then I got to go back onto the passenger side and finish up on there. All right, it's all wiped down with the paint thinner and dried and everything with a clean cloth. Now, I've got a spray. I don't have any more cardboard to put underneath there, so do a little section at a time. Okay, I'll go over to the passenger side, and we're going to do that, and then I'll come back over here and hit a second coat. A second coat should do it. It'll be ready by then, I hope. It dries quick enough. Oh! This paint isn't drying too fast, so I might only be able to do one coat because I don't want to leave this stuff on. We have to probably use the van tomorrow, so I'm going to take the masking tape off and all the newspaper off. So I guess one coat is going to have to do it for now, and I'll have to mask it all up and tape it all up for the second coat. But I have to do the white part anyway, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, I don't know how much of it was in the camera view, but what I did is just did this door up to here, and that's it. Those lines you see in there is those stripe things. I ain't gonna worry about that. It looks pretty doggone good if you ask me. But I don't think this paint's gonna dry today. I'll wait a while. I mean, we've still got a couple more hours before I have to pull everything in to the shed. So what we're going to do here is end this video. Yeah, we're going to end this video today. I don't know how many parts there is, but I have a feeling it's going to be more than 2 parts. We already got 1 part done here. That's tacky. Very, very sticky. So we're not going to get 2 coats in today. So that's it for today. And we'll see you on another chapter of working on this van. Thank you for watching. Well, Uncle Dorkle, do you think I could get a job in a body shop?
What? Are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious. Do you think I could get a job in a body shop? What do you think of my workmanship?
If I had to tell you what I thought of it, it would be muted out on YouTube.